everyone, this is Lucifinity. You can call me just Lucy or Ate Lucy. So today I will having a Tagalog English monthly reading for the year 2026 para sa lahat ng zodiac signs starting this January. I'm a tarot and astrologer since 2019 and started my YouTube way back 2020 pandemic era. Basically, this is my comeback sa YouTube channel para sa mga lovely clients ko and future clients, guidance and healing. May readings focusing more on astrological placements. Kaya mas maganda po kung alam nyo ang inyong birth chart, natal chart for accuracy and timely readings. How to know your birth chart? Simply go to the Google and search birth chart, natal chart calculator. Dapat tama ang date of birth, time of birth, and birthplace. Kung di alam ang oras, pull up your birth certificate or ask your parents kasi importante po na tama ang details. The importance of knowing your chart is to guide you, heal you, and help you succeed in this lifetime. Let your astrologer read your chart for you, and I can help that for you. For everyone na makaka-resonate sa readings ko today, kindly leave a comment in the comment section. For everyone na mas gusto ng depth reading, kindly add me on my social media accounts in the description box and book a reading. Thank you and may light guide your way infinitely. So, let's start your reading. Hi Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. This is your month of January 2026 readings. So, reading, okay? So, kung hindi mo alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, Rising, or Ascendant, Venus is, yun po yung birth chart mo. So, kailangan po, para malaman mo yun, dahil accuracy po yun, para mas accurate po at makita mo kung para sa'yo talaga yung reading o hindi. Hanapin nyo lang po, search nyo lang sa Google, search mo birth chart calculator, tapos ilagay mo yung details para accurate. Yung ilagay mo is yung birth time, birthday, birthplace. So, kung ano yung birth time, makikita siya sa birth chart. Kung hindi man, ask your parents, okay? Kung hindi man, then that's sad for you. Siguro mag-stick ka na lang sa sun sign mo. So, let's start your reading for the month of January 2026. If I were you, mas maganda kapag alam mo yung chart mo. Kasi, personally, it helped me a lot. Okay, so, let's see. I will pull up 5 cards for you. 2 cards for you, 1 card on the middle. Okay, you have 5 of swords and Ace of swords. Alam mo, may similar reading ka kay Leo. Kasi meron din siyang 5 of swords and meron ding ano doon, parang the Leo is currently dealing with the Taurus. Maybe you have someone na may, may Leo sa chart. Anyways, Ace of swords. So, ano yung current present situation that connects the two situation? Okay, current energy. Na tong lumapag. So may 4 of cups. Someone is missing something. Someone. Or, nakatingin pa siya sa past. Meron ditong 4 of swords na lumabas dito kay Sag. Anyways, ayan. And last card for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising. Two swords. Someone is going through a breakup with a Leo. Anyways. Maybe you're connecting with the Leo. No? Kasi halos similar lang. But anyways, Taurus, with the 5 of swords, it shows here that you are currently in a situation na parang the communication, the understanding is not there. You're trying to get into the new ideas, new insights, ano pa ba? Mga bagong kaisipan kung paano aayusin yung situation mo ngayon sa kanya. May 4 of cups dito. Are you missing your ex? Or is this an ex of yours? Or maybe Taurus, you're lacking with an aspect of love, no? May kulang eh. Kasi may mga bagay na na-offer siguro tong individual na to sa'yo na hindi niya naibibigay sa'yo. Meron ka talagang needs at hinahanap. Pero somehow, hindi naman niya naibibigay sa'yo. Okay? So, this person from 4 to 3, broken. Okay? Pwede din tong cheating, honestly. But I'm not saying na someone is cheating on you. Pero more like, someone is not as honest as they are when it comes to their heart. Maybe third party relationship din talaga to. Maybe you saw yourself or you saw him, her, na nag-cheat sa'yo. That's sad to know. I'm so sorry about that, Taurus. Pero dito, nakikita ko na parang, your look, kasi nakatingin ka dito. Yung card nandito instant na dito. So, parang, kumaga sa gitna, is, naglo-look back ka sa past relationship mo, na parang siguro mas better yung dati. Yung mga ganun, parang mas okay yung dati kong situation, kung mas win-workout ko lang, or kung mas matured ako that time, may Ace of Swords. Inisip mo yung maturity, kung mas sharp lang yung mind mo, mas okay yung puso mo na tanggapin yung, or mag-grow together with that person from your past. Kasi the present one is not giving, it's not giving you the relationship na parang maglalast. Kumaga, it keeps giving you heartbreak, pain, lies, ganun. So, may tendency dito na nung nalaman mo na parang may other party, you might be break up with him. So, let's see na lang kung ano yung situation. Okay? Sa situation tarot deck. Oracle deck for you. Hi, so ano ang situation para sa mga Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus? 2 cards only. Dalawang card na mag-fall. That's the 2 cards. That's the... Okay, so you got 1 crushed. Okay, yan din yung nakuha ni Leo. Anyways. Okay, alien. Alien, telepathic dream songs. Okay. So, siguro sa past, itong person kasi nakikita mo pa siguro sa past, yung ex mo, na nakikita mo sa dreams, gano'n. Parang, meron kang, parang synchronicities, gano'n. Parang, na, nandun pa rin yung past. Kahit wala na siya physically. Like, physically, hindi mo na siya kasama. Pero, for some reason, you feel like you're still connected to that person from the past. So, your current situation with the current person is you're sad, broken, feeling alone, and so on. Okay? So, Taurus, I am not, happy to say this. Kasi, sino ba naman ang gusto maging sad and, broken sa relationship, di ba? So, ano nga bang pwede nating, makita pa? So, tingnan natin kung anong additional situation ni Fanta Oracle sa'yo. Additional situation messages for you. For Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Overload. Okay. Ito yung overload na hindi masaya. Yung siguro napuno ka na or punong-puno ka na. Or siguro, ang dami mo nang ginawa. Assessment, obligation, overwhelm. Overwhelmed ka na sa mga nangyayari. Siguro gusto mong ma-fix yung situation sa person na to, no, Taurus. Pero, siguro may nagawa siya sa'yo or may nagawa ka sa kanya na mahirap i-settled agad. Pwedeng 50-50 na ma-fix. According here, okay, ikaw may free will ka pa rin naman. Pwedeng hindi mo ko sundin, pwedeng masundin mo. Pero mas maganda sundin mo pa rin yung sarili mo. Kung ano yung sa tingin mo mas makakapagbigay sa iyo ng kapayapaan sa isip at puso. Okay? So, eto dito kasi sa card na to, kita naman dito na may breakup na nangyari or may breakup na mangyayari. So, let's see kung ano ang astrological placements ni Universe sa'yo this January. Tignan natin, ha? Tignan mo sa chart mo agad kung ano yung makikita natin dito. Tapos, i-check mo kung ano yung transits para sa'yo. Yung forecast para sa'yo. Check mo agad yun. Kung Sun ba yan, Moon, Venus, Mars. Okay, may lumapag. Anyway, so this is the for house 7. 7th house. Taurus. Okay, so you know what? This is funny. Kasi 7th house is the house of relationship. This is profound relationship, intimacy, and romantic partnership. So, in 7th house sa astrology, kahit anong planets or placements ang nandun, affected ka doon personally, okay? So, 7th house, about relationship. So, eto, focus nito, relationship. This reading is all about the relationship, Taurus, no? So, baka hindi mo masyadong hindi mo masyadong nafe-feel yung connection mo sa taong to, or parang hindi mo nakikita na magtatagal kayo, or you feel like, I am seeing a break free talaga dito. Break up talaga. So, good luck with that. Let's see kung ano pa yung romantic oracle angel deck message for you. Okay. What is the messages for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Okay, so meron ditong make the effort. Okay, make the effort. Great love is worth taking the steps. Great love is worth taking the steps you're guided to take. So, make an effort. So, make the effort of not ruining yourself even more. That's what I am sensing. That's what I am receiving messages from you, Taurus. So, meron ditong kailangan mong gumawa ng isang action para matulungan mo yung sarili mo at tulungan din tong person na to na maka-move on from you. Or, alam mo, maintindihan yung mga bagay kung bakit hindi ka nag-workout ngayon. Why things is not working in the favor of goodness. Okay? So, additionally, what is the hidden truth of this connection of the person? The message of the person? Okay, Taurus. Okay, so wala. I hide behind material things. Oh, this is you. Material girl. Material girl! Eme lang. Me in a material world. Maybe you've been too busy in material world. Like, you've been doing a lot of things. Hindi ka masyadong spiritual. Siguro ang alam mo lang is going on the church, praying, and that's all. And everything is good. No. Spirituality is personal. Spirituality is more profound and real, genuine, na makikita mo sa sarili mo at makakatulong sa'yo para mag-heal talaga emotionally. Hindi ka matutulungan ng mga material na bagay. Sa totoo lang, Taurus. Lalo na Taurus ka pa, materialistic ka talaga kapag negative. Pag negative, hindi ka nag-matured. Okay? Pag immatured ka pa sa mga bagay-bagay, akala mo lang siguro dahil meron kang bahay, kotse, matured ka na. No. Okay, maturity comes with a lot of realization from experience, and how many times mo ba na-realize kung worth it ba yung isang tao or worth it yung isang situation before you put yourself into it. Okay, so nandito yung maybe you're focusing more on material world than actually doing a lot of spiritual work. Napakaganda kapag nalaman mo kung paano mag-meditate, mag-release ng stress, maging spiritually inclined. Ibig sabihin sa spiritually inclined, it's like you heal your heart, you heal your mind, and sorry, that's may alarm. Okay, you heal your mind, nakapag-heal ka properly. Okay, now let's see kung ano yung last messages. Ito, advice na to sa'yo ni Soul Truth Tarot deck, Oracle deck. Okay, so let's see. Ano nga ba ang messages mo sa ating Taurus? Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. One card lang po. Ano man ang mag-flip, that's the card 4. Just one. Okay, so kung ano yun nasa pinakababa. Okay. To where does my soul want to travel? Okay, so meron ditong napaka-deep nitong tanong na to be honest. Ang tanong kasi dito is to where does my soul want to travel? So it means may realizations ka dito na feel mo hindi mo alam kung anong para sa'yo. hindi mo alam kung paulit-ulit na lang yung buhay mo. Kung ano yung inilatag sa'yo, parang, sige, deal ko na lang to. Gawin ko na lang to kasi ito yung nandito sa harapan ko. So, may mga chances na minsan, o siguro napapadalas na, kasi hindi ka na talaga truly happy or contented with the life that you currently have. Parang paulit-ulit parang you're growing into something na mas madami kang, sana ginawa ko to, what if ginawa ko yan? Maybe, okay? You know what? As long as you're still alive, you have a lot of opportunities to come in your life that you're capable of doing. Totoo yun. Kahit nga matatanda makikita mo na lang, diba? Gumagawa ng vlog, nagta-travel, gumagawa sila ng mga bagay na gusto nila at napapasaya sila, nag-i-stream, na mo yun? Kaya hindi pa natatapos ang edad. Sa kung ano, hindi natatapos sa edad rather, kung sa kung ano yung gusto mong gawin sa buhay. Okay? So, believe in yourself. Your soul eventually will find its way to its purpose. And eventually, it will give you full happiness and success. I guarantee you that. Okay? So, let's read at the back. When we travel, we grow. We open up our little worlds to more adventure, thrills, patience, understanding, trust, and oneness. Our hearts and minds expand and our desires are satisfied. Where is your soul calling you to visit? Pick a location on your desired list. Choose a date when you will get there and start planning. Create a Pinterest board or start searching on travel sites for the best restaurants. Anything that will create movement to let the universe know you are ready to make it happen. Believe you can. Okay? So, yan lang yung may advice ko sa iyo, Taurus. Keep traveling, keep soul searching. Eventually, makikita mo na lang na there's so much into life na mas masaya ka ngayon, mas mag-heal ka, mas nakikita mo yung sarili mo na better version sa future, the future you will thank yourself for that. Okay? So, for now, take a small step and just do it. Yan lang. Kung nakapag-resonate sa'yo to, kindly leave a comment on the comment section. Kung hindi man, mas maganda pong magpabook ng reading sa akin para mas accurate po at mas diretso ko pong maibigay sa inyo yung reading nyo. So, yun lang naman po. Maraming salamat and see you on the next video. Bye!